Hello. This is Bree with Bree Essentials. Hope you all are doing well. It's been a busy year. I thought I would do a short video. I've got these new sponges that have arrived from Scandalous Soap Company. I have been looking for some sponges that I can get in bulk. I made these soap sponges, found these sponges on Amazon. And I do like these, but you couldn't get them in bulk, and they are a bit costly. So I have these. This is one type of sponge, and this brand came in 3 colors. So that's the white, a rose, like a pink, and then a teal. These are scented with creamy ylang ylang. That one, they are infused with goat's milk soap. And then I found these sponges as well. These are scented with mahogany teak wood. And I designed the little label card for a cross on Canva. So we have that one. Those are mahogany teak wood. And these are the ones I particularly like. And it's 3-layered. And they all have the little string that you can hang them up into your shower or on anywhere in your bathtub. But these also did not come in bulk. And so they're all, different colors. These are scented with lavender vanilla. And see, this one is like a rose in the middle, the teal, and then a gray. Still have the teal, then a white and a rose. And then you got a rose, a pink, and then a white. These will be launching on Sunday at the Patchwork Market. So come on out on Sunday at Patchwork Market in Durham. Put these back, sorry. And get some. All right, Scandalous soap. Let's see what we got here. It didn't take no time for these to arrive. They showed up today. I believe I ordered them maybe Sunday. What do we have here? It says Scandalous Soap Company, good soap for dirty people. That's too cute. It's a little thank you card. Thank you for your order, Sabrina. We hope you love the sponges. From Robin and Matt. That's cute. Robin is awesome. I've seen her on YouTube. And we also have, you get a sponge and you get a sponge. Everyone gets a sponge. That's cute. Scandalous Soap Company, certified soap and cosmetic maker. I guess this is her business card. And then we have Matt. Matt is the directing partner. Got his card. And my invoice. And so, invoice says it's a mystery box of 10 sponges, and then they choose which ones you get. So let's see what I got. That's cute. Got the heart. Got 2 of those. Oh God, I'm loving that. The little daisy of the petal. And I got 2 of these. And then these have ribbons. Interesting. That is interesting. These have ribbons. And then, oh, then we got the round ones. This one seems like it's a little harder for it to hold or grip, maybe for a bigger hand person. This was easy to grip. It's almost the same width. And these are very, very nice. And oh, we got 4 of the round ones, pink, and then in this blue. Oh, I love these. These are the shapes of the ones that I like. For some reason, I don't know why. It's just something about the shape. And green is my favorite color, so thank you, Robin and Matt. And then we have a yellow. I'm loving this green. I think I would do a cucumber melon with the green. And then the yellow, maybe honey vanilla. And then the blues, let's see what I do with the blues. Either rain. That rain would be nice with the blues. And then we have this pink, because I'm going to be using these instead of the other ones, since I can get these in bulk. I have a pink round and a pink heart. So the pink heart might be creamy ylang ylang. Actually, I gotta change that. This is gonna have to be mahogany teak wood. This one, I'm gonna need to get a purple sponge, see if they got a purple for lavender. And creamy ylang ylang is going to be maybe the yellow. No, it'll be this pink. I don't know. Anyway, just want to jump on and show you guys these. They're just cute. I can't wait to use them and make some more soap sponges. Are they nice? Isn't it beautiful? I love this one. See if we got this in different colors. Nice. Okay. Oops. Sponges. Oh gosh. Okay. Y'all have a good evening. Goodbye.